Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. So if you have a DJI Air 3 or Air 3S, probably one of the concerns you guys have is that your drone is constantly landing in dirt, mud, depending on the environments that you're flying on. Now that's because the front two legs are elevated, but the back legs, as we all know, are very low. So that has been a problem for me. I'm not able to set up a landing mat. So I found this product, guys. Let me show it to you here. This is from Start RC. This is some landing legs for the drone. It's about 56 or 59 grams in weight. And this is what the landing legs look like. They just clip on to the base of the fuselage of the drone. And then you have these little legs that deploy like so, which gives you a very firm landing type of little sled to prevent the drone motors from being too close to the ground. So let me show you guys how you actually install this. You're going to take your drone, and this is going to connect over the front of the fuselage, and then it's going to snap down on the rear section that you guys see right here. It just snaps into those little openings and then is secured right here in the front of the drone. So now you're able to deploy these legs, and that's going to give you that extra elevation so that both of your motors, as you guys can see here, both of your motors or legs are above ground level, so they're not going to make contact. Now I'll tell you, this is on really good. I don't feel unsafe with this. As you guys can see here, all of your sensors are available, your landing light, so it does not interfere with any of the operations of the drone. Let's take this out for a quick flight and see how well it does. All right, guys, so my final opinion on this little sled, these landing legs, they are very efficient, very easy to assemble, to disassemble. Some may just keep these on when they travel. I'll probably detach them and put them inside of my travel case, especially for the times that I actually need these. So this is not something that's going to live on my drone, but in situations where I need it, I think this is going to be a great solution. I'd like to thank you all for watching this video, and I will catch you all in the next video. Hopefully this has been helpful. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will see you soon. Peace. I'm out.